Yep, that one a good 150 yards or so. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm the Heavy Mad Scientist, and in this video I'm gonna be, well, I'm just shooting corn cobs out of my air cannon here, I guess. This is just a quick video, because I haven't had a lot of time to post. And this is, yeah, just a quick video, just a little filler. But I'm shooting corn cobs, like eating corn cobs out of the air cannon. I got a 1.5 inch piece of PVC on here, and it's perfect for already eaten corn on the cob. It makes a perfect seal. It's really fun. Yeah, the ones that are eaten by the adults don't seal as well, and the ones that are eaten by the little kids, they seal perfectly because the little kids don't clean them up that well. So they fly on average anywhere from 100 to 150 yards, I'd say. Yeah, dogs out there chasing them down once they fall out of the trees. That tree line is just over 100 yards away. So, yep. You just fill it and pull the valve real quick. Yeah, that went pretty far. But yeah, I mean, well, that's perfect use for these. What else are you gonna do with them? A little gross, but yeah, whatever. It's family. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty fun.
Oh, I'm looking at you still. I forgot to look at the corn.
Oh, it's fine. That one went pretty far, really far. That one went above the trees. So yeah, I don't know. It's not that much kick, but you feel it. It's probably about the same as a 12 gauge. Not as sharp, but more of a push. Air compressor.
Dog!
Katie!
Come, dog!
Here, Katie! Oh, here she comes. Oh, she's the corn. She found it.
We cannot see her. She's too blurry.
Yeah, but you can focus it.
Okay.
Here, Katie! Alright, here we go. You can use this, just don't refocus it.
Alright, what are we doing now?
We're gonna shoot at some trees, I guess. They basically turn into mist. So, the corn cobs. Then we'll probably shoot at some plywood. Just for kicks.
Thought you said we wouldn't be out here long.
Yeah, I'll probably end up building a new cannon soon.
Maybe I should focus first.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll probably end up building a new cannon soon, just because this one, even though it has a lot of power, it doesn't have enough to satisfy me. So I'll probably build a real heavy duty black iron combustion ones, combustion cannon. Probably like those hybrid designs or just a burst disc or something, just something that really gives you the power. But yeah, this is really good. But I just want to.
How many are you gonna have to make before you're happy?
It never stops. Just keeps going.
How many have you made so far? Like 6? 5?
A lot. I don't know. They're all pneumatic so far. I want to build a couple hydrogen powered ones, just for kicks.
Combustion, you mean? I believe is the term.
Or propane. It doesn't matter.
If you use the word pneumatic, you have to use the word combustion.
Okay.
Or you could use air and propane.
I'm gonna put a couple in this time, just because. There goes Katie's running the wrong way. What's gotta shoot it at? Oh. There's a rusty can over there.
Shoot a broom.
A broom?
Oh, that would be pretty random.
Go get that rusty can over there. Well, I load this.
Yes, master. Which one?
Just the big rusty one.
Yes, master. I will do as you ask. Ow!
Cut me. That didn't feel too good. Shot it full of holes. Yeah. This is with my fingers. Oh man, that's bleeding already.
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry,
An apology not accepted.
Alright.
This camera doesn't focus on the blood. I can't get people to pity me. Ooh, another hole to cut somebody else. Nice how the horn likes to stick on the side of the barrel. Then.
Yeah, it's real sticky too. My hands.
Yeah.
Making this whole. I'll have to wipe this thing down.
Oh, that's bleeding bad.
Yikes. All right, one more here. I'll end this one. Yeah, that one did it. Bye. Go put a band-aid on that. Wash it out. Worse than the Dickens. Okay. All right. So we have 4 cobs left. Oh, 4 cobs. Yeah. I got a band-aid. And you're back.
Yep.
Did it stop bleeding?
Take more than a rusty can to knock me out.
Yeah, okay. Good for you.
That rusty can's weak. That's why it's rusty.
Yep. How bad does it hurt now?
About just as bad.
Alright. Wait till the bat's flying over.
Hit a bat.
Yeah. Well, maybe they'll chase after it.
You're a bat boy.
Let me focus on the bat. Where's he at? He's right up there. Ready?
The picture won't get blurry through a lens, will it? If it's far out?
Yeah, well.
Even though there's a lens?
Huh?
If it's in focus, it doesn't really get blurry with a lens. That's just digital, right? If you zoom in with a digital, it gets blurry. If you have a lens, it doesn't get blurry, does it? Unless it's out of focus. Post chase?
Yeah, so. Right here.
What does that even mean?
Alright, wait till the bat comes over. So don't mess with it anymore. There we go.
Ooh, like a shotgun. Oh, I saw those.
There goes Katie.
Is it dog?
Yeah.
Focus on me.
Oh, it's supposed to be cool. There we go. Alright. So, this is the air can. I'll let it dry off. Right now it's really animal sticky. But here's my latest projectiles for the cannon. I have a, let's see here, what is this? This is a metal shaft, not keyed yet, but it's about right there, and this is a solid steel. Like I have it welded on there. I just welded this copper pipe here to the shaft, and it actually holds very well. So I don't know, welding copper is probably not good for you. I had duct tape here just to make the seal, and this thing punches through almost anything, but it goes really slow. So this one made another one where I soldered this one, I believe. This is a steel chunk, steel shaft that's about that big, and I haven't wrapped it in duct tape yet because I've been using a a wad to help push through, but I'll probably eventually wrap that in duct tape. But this one moves pretty quick. It's about half the weight of this one. This one moves really quick, and when it gets to its target, it just punches right through. So I don't bother putting points on them. I just kind of round the edges, just because there's no reason for a point. Anyway, so that cannon's pretty good. And here's my cameraman here.
Hi.
And my cameraman in training, he's a, what do you call him? Intern. Yeah, he's my intern.
Yeah.
So like my lifelong
I prefer
intern.
I prefer intern. Just plain old intern.
Whatever. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If I even post it, I may not even post it. I don't know. It might be too boring. But like I said, busy right now. Just thought I'd get some out quick, and it, you know, maybe it's useful for you. Now you know that 1/2-inch pipe can shoot corn cobs that have been eaten, whatever. It works best when they're fresh, when it has all the juice in them. If they dry out, they don't fly as far. But yeah. Anyway, You're what?
I will have vengeance on this can.
You're gonna have vengeance on the can? Alright.
Blood came off my finger. Kind of nasty.
Yeah, that works pretty good. Like this video, whether or not you liked it, because I don't really care what you think. I just want to be a big YouTuber someday.
Seeing that this is a baseball bat, I sort of want to hit it. But it's hard to swing something made out of concrete.
Subscribe, because that'll also help me be a big YouTuber. Careful.
It's a twisted can.
Twisted can, yeah.
Let me tell you.
Sorry, this is terrible on this camera. It's also dark out here. Yeah, like the video, because
And like it if you hate cans. That cut you. Because I do.
okay. Like this video.
I'm Nathaniel and I approve of this message.
Yeah. Okay.
I want to hit it.
Throw it up. You want to hit it? And like
Throw it up.
bat.
Okay.
Bat skeet shooting.
Can't swing the bat and throw it. How am I supposed to hit that? It takes me that long just to swing it.
Fine.
Maybe if I start like mid-swing.
You got it. Wow, that was good for a 12-pound bat.
Yeah, it dented it.
All right, so I lost my train of thought. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully with a better, more interesting video. Oh, look, that light's off. This light's going off.
I'll fix it.
Yeah.
Fix it quick.
Oh, we left the lights on back here. But anyway, I'll see you next time.